A man can sleep with two women at the same time. A man can go and sleep with a side chick and come back home with a lot of energy. Because sometimes, guys, when you saw your man have got a lot of energy in bedroom, he goes outside just because he sleep with someone outside, just because he have got a lot of energy on you. Because we don't understand them as men. When you saw your man, he doesn't have energy, because they are saying when he doesn't have energy, that person, he didn't go outside sometimes. That's why he didn't have energy for you as his wife. So sometimes we have to understand them. We don't know, because some of them, they are saying when he goes outside and sleep with other women, when he come back, it's like a charger. You understand it? When he goes out and sleep with another woman, it's like a charger. He charge, so he have got a lot of energy. So guys, sometimes we don't understand them as men, especially women. We don't understand men because we are not those people. They understand themselves, because we are judging. We're saying men, they are doing the same thing because they are men, guys. We are not men, we are women. Women, we don't have a lot of energy, and we don't like some most of the time like men. Understand? Because you can saw your man today, hey, my husband, you have got a lot of energy today. What's going on? Just because he slept with another woman outside there. You understand? Sometimes you are saying, baby, why you don't have energy today in bedroom? Just because that person, and you are insulting your husband, that yeah, you are cheating, that's why you don't have energy. No, he is not cheating. That person, he didn't have energy because he don't go outside and sleep with another woman. You understand? So sometimes we don't know as women. Sometimes we don't understand them because we are not men, we are women sometimes. You understand? So that your husband, maybe he can charge a lot, you want a lot, just because he goes outside and slept with another woman. We don't understand them as women sometimes, because you can judge your husband today, baby, you don't have energy, you are nothing, you don't have energy on in bed. Because guys, we don't understand them, because guys, when you are married, especially guys, when you are staying together 5 years, 6 years, most of the men, that's why you saw a man can go and have a girlfriend, because men, they want new things every time. Especially he used you are staying together every day. You sometimes he doesn't feel you anymore, because he used you every day. But when he goes outside, he can saw new women outside, so there he can come back home charged, and he can do what he can do. Sometimes we don't understand those people, because we are women, we are not men.